In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can restart your laptop in Windows 11. Before we do get into this guide, if it does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this method works the same way on pretty much any Windows 11 laptop, but essentially what you're going to want to do is go down to the bottom left or bottom middle of your Windows taskbar, and you're going to see like a Windows icon. Go ahead and select this, and from here go ahead and click the little power button and you'll see a few different options. Go ahead and select restart. You may also see update and restart, but I usually recommend choosing restart unless you specifically need to install those updates. If for whatever reason though your power button isn't showing up, there is another option for you. Simply right click on this Windows icon down here and you're going to see an option for shutdown or sign out. Just hover over it and then select restart from here as well. Now, if your laptop is completely frozen or unresponsive, you can do a hard restart, which to do this, you just have to find that physical power button on your laptop. Just press and hold it down for about 15 seconds. The screen's going to turn completely black, which means the laptop has shut down. Just wait about a minute and press the power button on again to turn it back on. But that is it. That is how you can restart your laptop here in Windows 11. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.